Welcome to Cryptogenics. Today we will talk about the latest news that are going into the cryptocurrency markets. So let's look at it. The Pantera Capital CEO says that the Bitcoin price crash can be shallower rather than 80% because it was less severe in the past. There are a couple of evidences that shows that the bear market that happened into the Bitcoin was certainly lower and less compared to different time zones, like in 2017 and 2015 it was 83%, but in 2019 and 20 it was less than 61 to 54%, as we can see in this particular numbers. Also there is one also we can see how many exits that the BTC has given in the bull market, and as you can see, there is in 2013 there was a price decline of 88% maximum, and in 2017 it was 84%. 2019 that was my 82%. But we are certainly not aware about the 2021. So the Pantera Capital CEO said Dan Morehead, the CEO of Pantera Capital, highlighted that a consistent drop in selling sentiment after 2013 and 15 and 2017-18 bearish cycles. Nothing that the future bear market would be shallower, he explained, because of the institutional amplitude that is introduced in the recent times. So it will be less pricing swings, and it will be moderate. So in 2014 and 15 it was like 83% down. Also in 2019 it was same 83% down, but in 2020 that was only 61%, and as you can see, it is gradually decreasing from time to time because there are more institutional investors and more money that is coming into the market cap. So there will be less and less bear market cycles, and also there is the flip side of is we probably won't see any more of the 100x in a year rallies either. So he has given a very neutral statement that there will be shallower bear market cycles, but also there will not be any 100x in a year rallies either. Let's see how we see that in the future. So also the last halving that was occurred in May 11, 2020, which reduced the amount of new BTC against the circulating supply, with the Bitcoin rallying by over 720% since. So it was 7.2x in the 2021. So this is very important to see this type of generational wealth that is growing through the Bitcoin holding. A Brazilian toddler makes over 6,500 profit on her first Bitcoin holding. So a father gifted around 1 BTC, that was roughly $900, to his newborn daughter back in 2017, which is now worth more than 60,000. Wow. So we can see that people are people are seeing Bitcoin as a digital holding and as a generational wealth that can be that can increase from time to time. So this particular the founder of the Foxbit crypto exchange, which is mainly Brazilian, and his name is João Canada. Sorry if I mispronounced it. So he gifted 1 BTC to his newborn daughter. What he said about this, like, as soon as my daughter was born in 2017, I bought 1 Bitcoin for her, not just as a gift but as a way of investing in this new economy. At the time, BTC cost more than 5,000 Brazilian real, which is currently 60. It is currently trading at 62,000. So, uh, 4 years later, the one BTC investment has returned profits over 6,500, and the price of Bitcoin surges back to 60,000 mark. So it is quite a bullish news, and people are seeing it as a generational wealth. And also there are other aspects like NFTs and gaming that is going on onto the market. But the main purpose of investing into Bitcoin is people see it as a store of value, and they recognize it as a digital gold. Mexican medical firm embraces blockchain for COVID test certificates. So we can see the adoption of a blockchain into the medical field, and it has just started. Like we can say it is a Mario compared to the Grand Theft Auto that is currently going on. So Mexico will use blockchain technology to verify the authenticity of its rapid coronavirus test results. So to avoid falsification of negative results, we began to certify the detection test with blockchain technology and cryptographic signatures. So which protects the information in a unique, immutable, and unalterable QR code that can be verified worldwide. So we can see this type of adoption can be very imminent, and people are saying the safety and privacy of the personal data that is connected towards blockchain is quite secure, and it safeguards the results of different clinical tests and protects patients' personal data. So we can see that this type of blockchain technology can be used in many fields, whether it can be manufacturing field or medical field. We are seeing a mass adoption of the blockchain technology, not only the cryptocurrency market, but the technology that has given by Satoshi Nakamoto has eventually improved from time to time, and it is delivering the decentralized type of applications that can be used in real time. So thank you guys. If you like the video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and also do not forget to like the video.